suman. Suman, it's yummy suman. May gana na siya kumain. Then titimplahan lang natin siya ng milk. Lalagyan natin ng ice. Ayun, nalaglag. May bisita pa tayong lalaki. Madami kang pasalubong, ha?
Ang sabi?
Mami, suman.
Pero wala ka pinanggit na suman.
Pag-akyat ka doon, gutom na siguro.
Tinikman mo ba ang suman? Okay pa. Spaghetti, kainin mo.
Bibi, you want spaghetti?
Ano, higpitin. Masakit ang alit niyan. Lagayan mo.
Spaghetti. Eh, hindi anak. Puno na siya. Drink. Yummy ah. No. Sarap. Kain ka ng yelo. Isa. Dali. Hayo. Stir it. And then, wow, the ice. You count the ice. One. And then, two. Get another ice. Oh no, what's that? You wanna eat the ice? Eat. Spaghetti. You want spaghetti? It's yummy. Spaghetti, oh. Maybe we open the box. Dali. Wow! Stir. Say stir. Stir it, Mami. Marunong na si Rich mag-Tagalog. Halo-halo, alam na niya. You taste it. No more ice. Another one. Your cookies. It's your cookies.
No.
It's your cookies. Wow, there's an inside. Look. There's an inside. Baby, look. Oh, there's a palaman on inside. Wow. You like it, so yummy. Anak, it's yummy. Anak, open natin yung box. Ayun, yung box na malaki. Yay! Ayun. Hello, mga kakilay! blessing. Ah, wait lang.
Chocolate.
Wait lang. Smile muna, anak. Smile. Rich, smile. Smile ka. Show your teeth. Smile muna, smile.
No.
Oh, we're gonna open it. Are you excited? Okay, we're gonna open it na.
Top. And chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no!
Yay.
Yeah.
See that? Yay. See that?
Yeah. Oh no, it's still not. Daliwan. Ang dati pa pa. Go open it, anak. Open it. Wow! Wow! Thank you so much. I would like to say thank you. Ay! This is all para kay Rich! Wow! It's so nice. Look! Wow! Wow! Yun daw. Wow, ay, sukat mo anak, a butterfly, oh. Nako, na-excite siya sa chocolate. Wow! And then, oh, get. Oh, get. Wow!
Ang galing.
Wow, what's that? You wanna open this? So big. And then,
may spaghetti na lang.
wow!
Bawal
Wow,
pa yun.
madam! Ito yung gusto niya eh. Open it. M&M! Woohoo! Baby, look, oh. Naku, open na daw agad. Gagaling ata si Rich din eh. Sa M&M. Say thank you! Love you! Say. Daldal na kaya ni Rich. Ah. What color you want? Chocolate! Say chocolate! Wow! It's so many! Wow, ang cute! Rich! Wow! Oh, you try this, dali. Ang ganda! Yung nanay yung tuwan-tuwa. O, suot natin, magsiswimming tayo sa bathtub. Ang ganda, anak! Horse, oh! Naklok, oh, horse! Wow! Iba ito pa two-piece! Mars, ang cute! Ayan. Kasi ito. Suot mo, bibi, anak. Suot mo, anak, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Two-piece. Suot daw. Pante. Suot ang pante. Next side siya sa chocolate. Suot natin ito pag naligo ka. May pag gumaling na siya kasi ngayon may lagnat siya. So, medyo bumababa ng temperature niya ngayon. Kanina talaga, hindi siya nagpapababa. Gusto niya lagi karga. Wow! Ang dami naman ito, Ning. And then, anak, only that muna. And then, wow, baby, look. Wow! Damit. Thank you for this. Say, thank you for this. Ang ganda ng damit ni Rich, oh. Wow, butterfly. Wow. Wow, baby, look, ah. Violet. Don't open it. Maybe tomorrow na. You finish first the first chocolate you open. Ha? Bibi, pantalon. Thank you, Ninang. Ang ganda! May pansuot na si Rich Gumala, tsaka pang swimming. May pantalon kasi mahilig talaga si Rich sa pajama. Gawa na sanay kay Mami Hugot na kapag aalis sila, nakapajama. Pero pag akong kasama ni Rich, hubadera. Wow! It's so nice! Ang dami. Ang daming damit ni Rich, oh. Fresh from...
Chocolate.
Wow!
Chocolate.
Wow! What color is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate! Yummy! Yeah, I like it. You like it? Bibi, look. Bibi, look. Look at... Look, oh. Lipstick. You get one and then put in your lips. Hindi, you get one. Put your lips. Like this, oh.
No, no, candy nan.
Ha? No candy yan.
Orange. Look, orange.
Oh, put it in your lips. Ano niyo isuot? Gusto niyo ng candy.
Orange.
Do it orange. Cheers. Actually, nung isang araw pa ito dumating. Ngayon lang namin na-open, nalimutan ko na. Is yummy? Orange! Galing si Rich sa chocolate, eh. Meron kayong Milka. Hi, Milka. Hello, Milka. And then, wow, Toblerone. Diba, oh? So big. Wow. Thank you.
Happy.
Happy. Wow, it's heavy. You like it? You open it? Open. No. Naka-tape siya. And then, ito pa, anak. And then, ito pa. Wow, ito pa, anak, oh. Wow. M&M. It's color blue. And then, huh? Red! Yay! Very good. How about this? Hello, it's so heavy. Oh, no. Oh! Kaya ni Rich. You wanna open it? Wait lang. A minute. A minute.
Watch, Mommy, Dada. Watch, Mommy, Dada.
Dito ka. Dito ka. Dito. Sit. Wait lang, Mami. Chop this. You watch kay Mami, ha? Chop ni Mami to, ha?
Wow, panda. Huh?
Wow.
How does it, baby?
Yeah. Rich is happy if Mommy don't have work. Happy ka? If Mommy wag na pumasok sa work? Ha? Hindi na papasok ang Mommy sa work? Dad, this is for you! Daddy! Daddy! You give to Daddy. Sit ka dito.
Daddy.
Sit ka dito.
Daddy.
Balik kita ka. Dad, dito ka. Wait lang, Mommy will open it. We will give it to Daddy. This is for you, Daddy.
Hindi nagmat ka?
Gumaling na siya sa chocolate. Mainit pa din siya. Daddy, wow! Yan. Tutok Masama pa ang pakiramdam ni Daddy. Achoo! We're gonna open this and give it to Daddy. See? Daddy, this is for...
Play it. Daddy.
Daddy is sleeping. Wow. Wow, it's so nice. Oh no, it's hard to open. Ayun na. Wow. This is from Italy.
Daddy.
Wow, this is for Daddy.
Wow.
Daddy, this is for you. Don't remove it. No. Wow, this is for Daddy. Wow.
Daddy.
Oh, ito kay Daddy. Wait lang, wait lang. Hmm? Sit down, sit. It's hard to open. It is safe. It's very safe. Oh no, I can't open it properly. Wow, Johnny Walker. Wow, this is alak. Don't do that. It's for that. And then, baby, we're gonna pop it off. Pop it, pop it. Pop it, pop it. Tada. Pop it like this. Oh. Meron pang bottle. Give mo na kay Daddy. Hala. It's ano to? Wow.
Ano?
Oh, Daddy, get. It's yours, Daddy.
Baby, no.
This, open this.
No.
You open this. Huh? You want this? Huh? Open.
Open. Stop.
Chop it.
Nothing.
You chop it. But Lola, Lola, I have chocolates.
Bawal ka pa kumain ng chocolates. Ayan, wag ka, may gamot.
May gamot na si Kabugoy. Inom mo
Ubo na
na.
laang.
Wow.
Pumunta na sa ubo ang, pumunta na sipon sa ubo. Wag mo muna pakainin chocolate, mag-hyper ang lagnat niyan.
Na, kumain na.
Tama na muna.
Tama na, enough
Tago
na
mo
daw.
na muna.
This is put in the
Ay,
rep.
hindi. May sipon pala, kaya
May
nilagnat.
sipon din na.
Yan, ngayon ka na tumabing maigi sa papa.
Oh, gatotoo. Ano gagawin? Mommy, please. Mommy, please. Alam niya, milk.
No, marunong yan magbasa.
Wait lang. Natunaw na nga.
Itanong mo, Ari, kung ano. Ayan, yan.
Red label.
Hindi, si baby, ang tanongin mo, hindi na.
Hi, baby, what's that? Is that for?
Daddy.
Daddy! Daddy will drink it? Oh no, it's tunaw.
Ilagay mo muna sa rep.
Open
Ano
daw.
ba ito?
Sarap. Oh, put it inside the rep.
Thermometer mo ba uli yan?
Oh, give mo si Lola.
Ilan na?
38.
38 pa din.
Give mo si Lola.
May sapon na.
Give mo si Lola.
May chocolate sa loob. May peanut.
Mhm.
I like it.
Thank you, Lola.
Thank you, baby po.
Wow, it's so yummy.
Nakapahon.
Hmm? Enough na. Kailangan natin ito itago sa taas. Kasi mamaya at mayain niya yan. Ang ganda ng lalagyan ah.
Okay.
Kailangan pala pag nagpapa-LBC,
Okay.
nakabalot ng jar ang mga babasagin.
Nakabalot ang wine.
Mm.
Oo, para kahit ihagis lalagyan ang basa.
Ano ba ito?
Pwede yung inuminan sa rep.
Meron na kaming
Bebe, ang sarap. Ang sarap pala
ganda ni
niya.
Rich, pero sa baka na bati ko are ah. Nagkagala to mag-isa sa mga ate, kabidyo ko nga ate.
Mm.
Pauli-uli sa papa eh. Wow!
Hindi tama na ang chocolate niya, hinihika ni. Bakit gamot pala ang chocolate sa hika?
Gamot?
Chocolate, gamot sa hika.
Gugab
Kaso,
ang taas ng balikat gayon.
may mani. Ayun ang makakahirap sa kanya pala. Sasabi niya si Baba. Bebe, tago na yan. Bukas na kain pag wala nang hika-hika. Ba't nagkahika si Bebe? May hika ang lahi.
Sarap. Mukbang, chocolate.
Nini, taguan na yun.
Ano, tatago na natin.
Tama na, Bebe yan. Pag magaling ka na mangain.
Enough na.
Lagyan mo
Okay
ng
pa.
packing tape para hindi maubos.
Ito na, tama na. Bye. You say daddy out. Fix. Oh, you need daddy, you need to fix. Say, daddy, you need to fix. Tara, akit na tayo. Daddy, let's go. Bleh. Ayun, the baby's crying. Wawa. No?
Mommy.
Wala. Mommy, fight
Wait.
the baby. So, yun, mga kakilay. Go up na kami ni Rich.
Happy, mommy.
Happy, mommy, and baby. Wow, you wanna play here? Oh, you look Lola. Dali, you look Lola.
Lola.
Hmm? Ang tawagin mo Lola? Magbabay ka dito? Kunin mo ang bike mo? Ha? Tara, mag-sleep ka muna. De na si Rich.
Wash, wash,
No.
wash.
Ito.